Hi, it's Franny at Kaizink, and I'm here to show you the improvement I made. We have lots of clients that come in that don't know their logo size, don't know what kind of hat they want, and there's lots to see in our sales office. So I created all these jigs to help assist and consult the client. Here we have the size. This is our max front. We don't want to start with this, but it's a great way to show the client what the logo can be in terms of max. This is our ideal size front here. Then we have our front left panel or our front right panel. And then we have our side back. And there we are. Thanks for watching.